Hello everyone, this is Voice of Talent. I am Kong Hui. The main content of this program is Changsha Talent injects new vitality for pipe industry with its innovation, concentration, and profession. Following is the detail reports. Changsha Talent Machinery Company Limited is a manufacturing enterprise for the research and development of construction machinery parts, with forging, casting, machining, and heating as a whole. It offers service for the famous enterprises such as ZOOMLION, SANY, XCMG, and so on for a long time. Over 10 million yuan was spent on the research and development in the past 10 years. Talent successfully developed the global initiative, world's leading wear-resisting pipe and the technology of production. Till now, Talent got 54 patents. The elbow pipe of Talent is a double composite wear-resisting pipe used in concrete pump trucks. The elbow pipe has two layers. The outer is for the pressure-resisting. The inner is for the wear-resisting. According to the analysis for the invalidation of elbow pipes, the back part is the most serious wearing part and become the earliest invalidating area due to the maximum impact on it. So, Talent uses unequal thickness of high chromium cast iron for the back part. It gradually becomes thicker from both ends and sides to the center, while alloy steel is the material for the inner parts. In order to improve the wear resistance of the pipe orifice, thickening wear-resisting covers are used at both ends of the elbow pipe. Talent independently researched and developed a set of complete technology for manufacture, which makes the intelligent control for the whole production come true. The following is the process. 1. The upper wear-resisting parts. The material is high chromium cast iron, which has high hardness and toughness. Using advanced cold box process casting with constant temperature and gas shielded. Before casting, Talent does the component analysis twice using German spectrum analyzer. 2. The lower wear-resisting parts. The forging production line is mainly using 1600 T friction screws. The structure of alloy steel becomes more compacted after forging. 3. Heating. Talent uses the continuous automatic quenching production line. The temperature, speed, and time are controlled by computer. After heating, the hardness is much more homogenized and stable. 4. Wear-resisting flange. Pressuring the wear-proof casing into the lapped flange, then rolling the flange. Fixing the wear-proof casing in the inside of the flange. 5. Riveting and welding. The automatic welding machines and professional workers make the welding quality much more stable. 6. Pressure test. Talent does pressure test for each batch of elbow pipes with the standard of concrete machinery industry. 0.17 megapascals for testing. 5 minutes for keeping pressure. 7. Painting. Automatic powder spraying paint coating line. Talent has kept the practical attitude and got the top level in wear resistance and impact resistance after optimizing the process for hundreds times. Examining the actual working condition of 10,000 elbow pipes, disassembling over 6,000 pieces and testing thousands testing blocks. Talent got the full support from leaders, experts, and customers since the production line has built in 2015. The elbow pipe of Talent has a long working life, 60,000 to 120,000 cubic meters, which is 4 times longer than the ordinary pipe. With a light weight and low price, it saves 65% cost for users. Talent participates in the leading international exhibitions such as Bauma, Germany, Bauma, Shanghai, and ConExpo Con, AGG. It exports to the USA, European, Southeast Asia, etc. Every worker of Talent holds the spirit of innovation and concentration. With the advanced technology and experience, Talent devotes to creating its own brand, which will have an international influence in the construction industries. Talent looks forward to making a better future with you. That's Voice of Talent. Thanks for your listening. See you